In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your bank account for Shopify payouts. This process will ensure that your hard-earned money reaches the correct destination without any hiccups. Let's dive straight into it, shall we? First, you'll need to access the payment settings within your Shopify admin. Start by logging into your Shopify account where you'll see a dashboard full of options. Focus on the settings option located at the bottom of your menu items on the left side of your screen. Click on it and a new menu will appear. From this list, select Payments, where you'll handle everything related to transactions and payouts. Once you're in the Payments section, you'll see a variety of payment methods and settings options available. Locate the Shopify Payments section specifically and click on Manage. This subsection is where you can oversee all your payout preferences and make necessary adjustments. Now, let's focus on changing your payout account. Under Payout Details, there's a section labeled Payout Account. Find this section and click on Change Bank Account. This is the gateway to entering your new banking information and making sure your future payouts go to the right place. You'll now have the opportunity to enter your new bank account details. Depending on your region or your bank's specific requirements, you might need to provide information such as the account number, routing number, or the bank's name. Fill out this information accurately to avoid any errors in processing your payouts. If you're unsure about any of these details, it's worth reaching out to your bank for clarification before proceeding, as mistakes can cause delays. Once you've entered all the necessary new information, it's time to finalize your changes. Click the Save button to confirm the update to your payout account. This will ensure that Shopify has your latest bank account information, and you won't miss any future payouts. There are a few important considerations to keep in mind during this process. Shopify utilizes a service called Plaid for bank account verification. Depending on how this verification is handled by your bank, you might need to either enter your online banking credentials or wait for and confirm small micro deposits sent to your new account. It's also worth noting that if you run into any verification issues, Shopify might ask for your old bank account details to confirm the change. Don't worry if you don't have this information on hand. Contacting your bank will help you retrieve it. Make sure your new bank account meets all of Shopify's requirements for payouts. If any issues arise or if you have questions during this transition, Shopify support is always there to help you get back on track. And that's it. By following these steps, you can smoothly change your bank account for Shopify payouts. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos for more useful Shopify tips and tricks.